In today's video, I will teach you how to design a YouTube thumbnail using Canva Magic Design. Let's get started. A strong YouTube thumbnail can make or break your video's click-through rate. The good news, Canva Magic Media makes it easy to generate eye-catching thumbnails in just a few clicks, even if you're not a designer. So first, log into your Canva account, and from the homepage, click Canva AI to open Canva's Magic AI tools. And here you'll see a text box where you can type what you want Canva to create. Then click the image icon and make sure that the AI is set to Magic Design mode, which generates ready-to-use design layouts instead of single images. Now click Style to explore different style categories such as cinematic, creative, fashion, vector, and more. So pick a vibe that matches your video's vibe, like cinematic for storytelling or dramatic content, or bold or creative for entertainment or lifestyle videos, or clean or minimal for educational or business content. You can also skip choosing a style and describe the look directly in your prompt. To do this, go to the text box and describe the YouTube thumbnail that you want to generate. And make sure to be very clear and very specific so the AI knows exactly what to create. You can include details like video topic or title, mood or emotion, color preferences, text placement, or visual focus. You can also click the mic icon to dictate your prompt instead of typing. And here are some prompt writing tips for YouTube thumbnails. And now we're going to select the aspect ratio. For YouTube thumbnails, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. This is YouTube's standard format and ensures your thumbnail displays correctly on all devices. And once your prompt and settings are ready, press enter and let Canva Magic Design do the work. And Canva will generate 4 YouTube thumbnail options per prompt. So click on each one to view them in detail and compare layouts, colors, and text placement. And if you like a thumbnail, you can open it in Canva's editor to adjust text, colors, or images, or resize or tweak elements for clarity. If the thumbnail looks low quality, you can click Boost Resolution. And if you're not happy with the result, you can update your prompt by changing the colors, text style, or mood, then generate new options. And once you're satisfied, select your favorite thumbnail and click download, and it's now ready to upload to YouTube. Canva Magic Design makes creating YouTube thumbnails fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. With a clear prompt and the right aspect ratio, you can design thumbnails that grab attention and boost clicks with no design experience needed. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.